If your gums bleed when you brush, if your mouth tastes bad no matter what toothpaste you use, if you're scared every dentist visit will end with another bill you can't afford, then listen carefully. Because what I'm about to share changed my oral health completely. Most people think that their teeth problems are caused by either bad brushing, not flossing enough, genetics. That's not the real reason. And I'll tell you what is, just in a moment. My name is Oля and I live in Canada. I went to the dentist expecting a routine checkup, and instead I was handed a huge treatment plan: bleeding gums, early stage cavities, scaling, possible future procedures. And guess what? No insurance. And I remember sitting there thinking, if this gets worse, I don't know how I'll pay for it. And worse than money, I was really terrified of losing my teeth. So I started looking for another way. I started Googling. And if you're watching this, you probably know that fear: the embarrassment of bad breath, hiding your smile, the pain when you eat or drink, the bleeding, the constant worry what's next. And dentists don't mean harm at all. But their solutions are expensive, aggressive, and of course, endless. And that's when I discovered something most people are never told. Are you ready? Your mouth is not the problem. Your oral bacteria balance is. Your mouth contains billions of bacteria. Some of them protect your gums and enamel. Some destroy them. Most toothpaste, mouthwash, and antibiotics do one thing: they wipe everything out, good bacteria included. And when the good bacteria disappear, the bad ones take over. That's when you get bleeding gums, bad breath, plaque, cavities, inflammation. This is where Prodenim is different. Prodenim is a natural oral probiotic. Instead of attacking your mouth, it supports healthy bacteria, the kind your gums and teeth actually need. No harsh chemicals, antibiotics, or aggressive treatments. That's why I decided to try it. First, I was skeptical, as I don't trust supplements easily, and I have one strict rule: I never recommend a product publicly unless I've tested it myself for a long time. So I used Prodenim consistently. And here is what I personally noticed. Tooth sensitivity faded. Hot and cold stopped bothering me. Second of all, gums stopped bleeding and felt healthier within weeks. My teeth became naturally whiter. I was really surprised. With no strips, no services. My mouth felt clean and balanced, not irritated. And over time, my enamel felt stronger. And here is the part that shocked me the most. I've been using Prodenim for over a year, and I haven't needed any dentist services since. The product itself claims it supports gum health, enamel strength, and even early stage issues. All I can say is my situation stopped getting worse and started improving. That made me very happy. And this is especially for you if your gums bleed, you struggle with bad breath, you've tried medicated toothpaste or scaling, you can't afford implants or major dental work. You're scared of what happens if this continues, and I was there. This works because it doesn't fight your body. It restores balance. Healthy bacteria create a protective environment, one where gums calm down, breath improves, and teeth are supported naturally. That's why harsh solutions fail long term. And let me be clear: This is not a miracle overnight fix, and it's not magic, of course. It's something you take consistently to support your mouth the way nature intended. And that's exactly why it worked for me. And if you want to learn more about Prodenim, click the link in the description below. That's the official source I used. And please don't buy any random versions online. Oral products should be clean and authentic. And I'm sharing this because it genuinely helped me when I felt trapped, stressed, and scared. And I only recommend products I fully tested that are 100% natural and that deliver real results. And if you're tired of pain, fear, and dentist bills, this might be worth looking into. Click the link below to learn more. And this is my personal experience. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure disease. Always consult a healthcare professional if needed. And when you get this product, share your own experience in my comments below, as I want to hear your success stories. As remember, health is wealth.